Hi, my name is Lance Avery. I'm the founder of Big Fork Brands. We have a cool recipe here today. We're doing a very simple pasta dish with some kale, some mushrooms, and some bacon sausage. So I've got three links of bacon sausage. This is the Portabella flavor, which is available at Whole Foods. And I've got a nice hot pan. I'm gonna add that and our portabellas and cook these for about 5 minutes. Okay, so then, and while this is cooking in this hot pan, just stir it every so often. You can also, if the sausage is sticking a little bit, if you're not using a non-stick pan, you can, or if you're using the Portabella bacon sausage, which doesn't have as much fat as our hickory and applewood, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil to the mixture here, just so it doesn't stick. Just pour that around. Now, I'm gonna cook this for about 5 minutes till the sausage is golden brown and the mushrooms begin to brown as well. All right, we'll be back in a flash. All right, so we've got our sausage and our mushrooms. It's been about 5 minutes. The liquid has been cooked out of the mushrooms and they're beginning to brown. So I'm just going to add the garlic. This is 2 cloves, just roughly chopped here. And I'm gonna cook this for 1 minute and then we'll be back. Onions or garlic has cooked for 1 minute. Now I've got a half a cup of white wine. Bring this to a simmer and let it cook for about 5 more minutes and then we'll be back. All right, so we've got about 5 minutes. Almost all that wine has been cooked out, basically evaporated. Now we add a half cup of the pasta liquid that I reserved when I cooked the pasta and a 1/4 cup of cream. And the last thing I add here is 8 cups roughly chopped kale. Now we're gonna cook this for about another 4 to 5 minutes just to kind of bring this all together, and then we will plate up and we will be ready to go. All right, we'll be back. All right, here we go. This is it. All right, so we check out the sauce. So the sauce it's a very light sauce. And then now I've got my cooked, these are actually egg noodles. My photographer or my filmer ate a little of the noodles here, but there should be a half a pound of cooked pasta noodles. Just throw that in there and toss. And then what I like to do is take a little taste, which I've already done. It needs a little salt, so do a little salt and a little pepper, just like that. And then we're here to put it up. So I'm going to take it away from the heat here and move this over here so you can see. And it's just a really nice, light pasta dish with a ton of kale, a bunch of mushrooms, some good tasting sausage. Just kind of spin it around, put it on the dish here. Really simple, and it's also one pot cookery, which is super easy. All right, how's that look? Looks pretty tasty. And then I take just a bit of Parmesan cheese over the top. You got it.